Twitter's failing us, I think. News source. My phone's weird. I can't get. If we're to use it, work at all.
You start your own hashtag yet?
What?
Fuck Colorado snow? Blizzard.
No. Arizona's already set out for Colorado's weather. Oh, God. What are we supposed to do? Tell me a story or something. What am I supposed to do? Oh, God. I don't want to have input.
Reminds me of the Family Guy where he tells a story about Star Wars.
I know.
We'll start with episode 4.
Oh my God. You taping our demise over there?
Yeah.
Oh my God. This is like a scary movie. Oh my God. Ugh. It's getting dark outside. No electricity.
Poor lighting.
Shaky camera. Oh, maybe we just need some drugs and sex and we'll be good to go.
I mean drugs, but...
Oh, we got drinking. We could drink.
We have plenty of bone to bring.
You have plenty of bone, honey?
Yeah.
Good to go. My cell phone's working.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, we need that.
We can call for help if we have to.
Cell phone establishing shot.
Oh, it's
it
working.
Oh.
Yeah,
Well, that's not very effective.
I'm sorry.
The candles are quite attractive. We got a dog. Got a black dog on a dark couch, which I don't believe comes out at all. No, there you are though.
What are you doing? It works. See, I can call people. I could call.
I'm being dramatic.
Oh. And then... Oh, it's not working anymore. Oh, look at it. It only has 2 bars. Ah! Now it's turning off.
Why is it turning off?
That's because I wanted to turn it off. And it's really close to my head. Shit's like Blair Witch.
I'm like the, whichever one, the Romero zombie flick where they just filmed it. They kept bitching at him, put the camera down!
I know.
No.
They have to have a hat on or something.
Mm-mm.
They always have a hat.
I'm the guy with the blue sleeves. That's how you're gonna know it's me.
Oh,
behind the
yeah.
camera.
Well, that's true. Or when you drop it. You have to drop the camera.
Drop the light.
Yeah.
Herman, come on here into the light to your film debut.
No.
Come here.
Oh, God.
I still can't see you.
I could do dramatic reads at the back of DVD boxes.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. This actually says get ready. It's its first words. That's weird. Okay. Get ready for gut-busting, bone-matching good time and a hilarious... Oh, hilarious.
Yeah, hilarious. That would be different.
Hilarious. Comedy, horror comedy, Shaun of the Dead. There comes a day in every man's life when he has to get off the couch and kill some zombies. When flesh-eating zombies are on the hunt for a bite to eat, it's up to the slacker Shaun, played by Simon Pegg. And
Simon
it's,
Pegg.
That's what I said. What did I say?
Salmon Pegg.
Oh, salmon. Simon Pegg, and his best pal Ed, Nick Frost, to save their friends and family from becoming the next entree. Satisfy your bloodthirsty appetite with a movie that masters of horror and film critics alike are hailing as the funniest and scariest movie of the year.
Oh,
And
it's scary.
what year would that be?
2003. 2005.
I don't know, it's too dark, I can't believe it. 2004.
Oh shit, I was right in between.
No, it's okay.
Oh.
Now this Stephen King gushes. It's a 10 on the fun meter and destined to be a cult classic. Newsweek calls Shaun of the Dead a bloody hoot. It's a screaming, hilarious zomedy. Wow, they just made up a word.
Yes, they did.
That will have you dying with laughter.
Oh, snap.
So you get a bunch of sweet ass shit in it. Including a zom-o-meter, which is zombie trivia. Ooh, I would score a 10 out of 10 on that one. Yep. I would say my favorite part of the movie is when the cameo of the girl from Spaced. That's my favorite part.
When they stream by.
Yeah. It's funny. It's really funny if you've seen Spaced.
It was funny after seeing the space.
It made no sense before that. But it is hilarious now. Especially if they were dating before. Hilarious.
Dating?
Yeah, that's the thing. It's his ex.
Oh, is that his ex?
Yeah.
Oh. No, it
Yeah.
isn't. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, because they... Yes. Perhaps.
What's that?
Maybe.
Was I right?
Sorry, I was getting my space lore mixed up.
Mm.
So I was like, oh, they showed in the beginning. And I'm like, oh, wait, that's the first episode of Spaced.
Yep. Ooh, keeps the blood and the laughs gushing.
Hmm.
Yep, it's a good movie. It's a smash hit romantic comedy with zombies.
What's Nick Frost? What's a shovel?
Uh-huh.
Maybe I should go as Nick Frost. What, I don't know what his character's name is.
Ed.
As Ed.
You could be Zombie Ed or Live Ed.